You know the apron stays off, but the heat's always on. Welcome to Winston Cooks. Some dishes deserve fresh air. Let's make ceviche.
Shrimp, lime, lemon, onion, tomato, cilantro, avocado, salt, pepper, and just a little heat. Fresh lime wakes the shrimp and starts the magic. Avocado, the cool that tames the heat. Onion for bite. Tomato for sweetness. A pinch of salt. A touch of pepper. Balance. Cilantro for life. Jalapeno for fire. Let it rest so the flavors can fall in love. Bright, fresh, alive. This is River Kitchen Cooking. Big flavor, big soul. I'm Winston, and I cook from the chest. If it made you hungry, like, share, and follow.